Okay guys, it's afternoon, it's Friday evening, and tomorrow morning, Saturday, I'm going to leave my house probably about 9 o'clock or 9:30, and I'm going to drop off science or STEM activities for us for next week, and I'll pick up your work. I've been busy putting together 3 kind of fun things. The first one, let's start. The first one is called a marshmallow shooter. You have everything you need in this bag to do it, and included in that is a paper that, ooh, you won't be able to see. Sorry, my kitchen is not a good place to film stuff. It's just a paper to fill out, like with the scientific method. There's the marshmallows. We're going to learn about force and friction, and we're going to be using PVC pipe to create a shooter that will shoot the marshmallows, and we're going to learn about force and friction. Okay? Another thing we're going to do is I'm going to give you, this one also has a science, it's a different paper, a different type of thing, same idea. We can work on that together. There's battery, sandpaper, wire, a light bulb, and an empty soda can. I'm going to talk about the soda can right now, and I'll talk about it again when we do the experiment. I've taped off the edges, but I had to cut out the bottom, and I also poked a hole on the other side. So there's no sharp edges right now, but I want you to be aware that if the tape wasn't there, it would be sharp, and if you're not careful, those can be sharp also. We'll talk all about that again. We're going to, let me ask you, do you think you can make a flashlight with these things that works? You'll have to see. The only thing, you have everything you need except in order for your flashlight to have, because the batteries are small and the can is wide, the batteries are small and the can is wide, I use newspaper. You can use catalogs that your mom gets in the mail, anything that you can wrap it up so it will fill up the empty space. You'll have to have that because I didn't have enough for everybody, so I didn't do that part. Okay, so that's STEM activity number 2. STEM activity number 3 is going to be to make ice cream in a bag. Can you do that? Do you think you guys can make ice cream in a bag? Well, for ice cream in a bag, you're going to need some half and half, and I can't give you half and half because that would be gross by the time. It would be curdled and disgusting. So you'll have to go to the grocery store and get half and half. And let's see. Oh, and some vanilla extract. And I think that's all. I think I have everything else. Oh, ice, because of course I can't give you ice. That won't work. In the bag, I have another bag. There's a bag with a little bit of sugar in it. The sugar's already in it. So in this bag, you'll put your ingredients. There's all the directions right there. We'll be doing this as an activity next week. Here is the ice cream salt. You'll put your ice in this bag. The directions are in it. We will do a video. It'll be so much fun. You'll be excited. And you'll be like, oh my gosh, this is the greatest thing ever. Also, there's a little bit of a scientific form to fill out. And that's what we have cooking for next week, planned for it next week. Also, I've asked a few people about doing some virtual field trips for us to take. Mrs. Costa has a friend, and she's already arranged for that virtual field trip to happen. So I will be uploading that, and I think your week will be kind of fun. It's filled with fun activities to do. I hope. I hope that's what this last week. Because if we were in school, we would be having fun activities also, like a water balloon fight or something fun like that. Okay, guys, have a good evening, and I will be dropping off tomorrow, Saturday morning.